In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video camera and settings in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom desktop application and make sure you're logged in. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile picture. This opens a small menu where you can access your preferences. Click Settings, which is the option with the gear icon. This is where Zoom keeps all the controls for your audio, video, and general app behavior. When the settings window appears, select the Video and Effects tab on the left. You'll see a live video preview front and center. At the top of that preview, there's a camera drop-down menu. Click it, and you'll see a list of available cameras connected to your computer, such as a built-in webcam and any external cameras you've plugged in. Choose the camera you want to use. As soon as you switch, the preview updates so you can confirm the image looks the way you expect. Take a moment to check your framing and make sure your face is well centered and clearly visible. Now scroll down within the same video and effects page to fine-tune how you appear on screen. The first option you'll find is Touch Up My Appearance. This applies a gentle softening filter to your video feed. It can help smooth out minor blemishes and create a more polished look. Keep it subtle so your video still looks natural. A small adjustment usually goes a long way. Next, look for Adjust for Low Light. This option brightens your video when you're in a dim environment. It's handy if you can't change your room lighting, but remember that pushing brightness too high can make the image look grainy. Increase it gradually and watch the preview to find a balanced, clear look. You may also see options like auto framing and portrait lighting. Auto framing helps keep you centered in the frame, which is great if you shift in your chair or move slightly while presenting. Portrait lighting is designed to improve the way light falls on your face, helping you stand out from the background. Try these features, watch how the preview responds, and pick what feels most comfortable and professional for your needs. Once you've selected the camera you prefer and adjusted these video settings to your liking, you're all set. With just a few tweaks in the Video and Effects tab, you can quickly improve your on-screen presence and feel more confident in your next Zoom call.